Hello friends, I am Pau. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanna show you how to make kale chips. It's so fast, so simple, so easy that you will be amazed. Nutritional yeast, Himalayan pink salt, coconut oil spray, and love. You have to wash the kale, make sure it's clean. One of the things that I love in the kitchen is to use my hands as much as I can. So I'm gonna show you how to cut the kale without using a knife. When you're touching the food, you pass in your energy to the food. And this is very simple. Okay, you're gonna grab with one hand the end of the lid, and with your other hand, if the piece is too big, you just cut it a little more. And have very nice sizes. Okay. Now you're gonna add salt, coconut oil spray, and the nutritional yeast. Now we mix it. And now we place the kale on an oven pan. The oven is preheated to 350. And we're gonna put it in the oven for around 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, you check the oven, you see if the kale is cooked. It has to look crispy. And if it's ready, you take it out. If not, you can leave it another 5 minutes. You have to be checking and checking, depends on the oven. Okay, so after 15 or 20 minutes, we have our kale ready, kale chips. And then you can add a little bit more of the nutritional yeast if you wish. And sprinkle with love. And the kale is ready for you and for your whole family. My kids love it. This recipe and many more are included in my cookbook, The Secret Ingredient. For many more secrets and tips, check my website and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell so you receive all the alerts when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the little bell, the little campanita, so you receive all the alerts when I upload a new video. Namaste.